Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change Google Forms language. First up, open your Google Form page and then sign in your account. And here you just have to choose a form that you want to change the language. For example, this one right from here. So what you're going to do now is basically you just have to right click on the blank page right there or blank space and then click on translate to English. Now at the top, you can basically select your language, click on the three dots, and then here click on choose another language. For example, here I'm going to select Arabic and then click on translate. So we have to wait for a few seconds here. And once done, as you can see, we have just changed it to another language. So if you're going to select another one, so click on the three dots, and here I'm going to select Chinese simplified and then click translate again. So there you have it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.